Hello, everyone. I'm Tudor, co-founder of Blazar Labs, and I'm happy to present the Midnight-enabled medical records platform, a Catalyst Fund 12 proof of concept developed with XOBaby, a startup improving newborn care through IoT-enabled baby carriers. Our project ID is 1200149, and today I'll share what we built, learned, and achieved. We entered the Cardano use cases concept challenge with one key question. How can blockchain protect sensitive medical data? We set out to create a system where parents, clinicians, and researchers can securely share and access this data without compromising privacy. Midnight's privacy preserving features fit this task perfectly. Our goal was to build a mobile app connected to IoT baby carriers. These devices measure vital signs like heart rate, temperature, and oxygen saturation. The app encrypts and stores this data and puts hashes on Midnight. We use confidentiality sets and zero knowledge proofs to control who can access this information. We received 99,900 ADA in Catalyst funding to design, build, and test this proof of concept over 12 months, and everything we built is now open source. Our first milestone focused on research and architecture. We studied how Midnight's confidentiality features could be applied to healthcare data and designed the entire integration flow from IoT devices to blockchain. We defined all data models, roles, and permissions, which became the technical blueprint for the entire system. In milestone 2, we developed the mobile app and implemented role-based authentication. We used Firebase for secure authentication and real-time updates, and by the end of this stage, we had a fully functional mobile app capable of taking in IoT sensor data. Our third milestone was integrating the app with Midnight. We implemented encryption, stored data in distributed storage, and deployed smart contracts to save hashes on Midnight. Then we validated selective access using zero-knowledge proofs, meaning the system can prove data integrity without exposing the actual data. This milestone demonstrated the end-to-end encrypted data pipeline from sensors, APIs, all the way to the blockchain. In the last milestone, we consolidated all deliverables: research, code base, documentation, and this closeout report. And everything in it is now public. Like any pioneering project, we faced challenges. Finding a qualified Midnight developer took longer than expected. Midnight itself was still new, so we dedicated extra time to studying its architecture and confidentiality model to ensure our approach was fully aligned. Also, implementation of a hybrid model using Firebase also helped in order to test flows before the smart contracts were ready. Today, we have a fully working mobile app capable of integration with IoT baby carriers from different suppliers, a secure data pipeline connected to Midnight testnet, smart contracts handling encrypted data, store and access, and working zero-knowledge proof validation. It's a complete proof of concept showing that Midnight works for real-world healthcare, data, and privacy. This project directly supports UN SDG 3, but the impact goes beyond healthcare. Through this proof of concept, we proved that its privacy architecture can power sensitive data-driven applications safely and efficiently. Now that the groundwork is done, the same principles can be applied to healthcare, education, supply chains, or any field that demands both transparency and confidentiality. After our POC, XOBaby built on our foundation, secured funding, and EU-UN opportunities, and together we're extending the platform to clinical trials with tools for doctors and researchers. Our next step is to migrate the system to the Midnight mainnet once it launches, building on its native privacy features to meet GDPR and HIPAA compliance standards. We started this journey to make newborn care smarter, safer, and more connected. Our team is proud to have delivered it and to demonstrate Midnight's power for real-world healthcare. To learn more, you can explore our GitHub, link in the description. Supported by Cardano, secured by Midnight, built by Bazaar Labs. Thank you for watching.